If you want to be rich but still struggling to attract money, so solution is very simple. Apply these three rules like me and transform your life and attract money. Are you ready? Rule number one, make change in your environment. Your own wrong thinking and devil inside you and your environment is stopping you to attract money. If your environment is toxic, influenced with low mentality, poor thinking, unhealthy and bad habits, so then how you will survive? So let aside the environment that comfortably involve you. The second rule is money. Money itself not the direct enemy of your success. But if you don't spend it wisely, it will destroy your financial life. It will be impossible to reach at the peak of at the highest level of success. So spend money wisely, spend it on your personal and professional development and on wisely investment. Don't rather than spend it on unnecessary bills and loans like credit cards, etc. The number three rules to attract money, which I applied, is your emotions. How your emotions are stopping your success. Your emotions are the biggest hurdle to attract and spend money. So don't make decisions, especially financial decisions, based on emotions, as most of the people do in life and business. So let aside your emotions because right and rational thoughts will help you to attract money.